Hey guys, in this video, we are going to go through this smart money indicator. Basically, this smart money flow indicator can help to detect inflow or outflow of smart money funds. For example, big institute, big player, big banker fund can easily be detected using this indicator. We also will find the best settings for different timeframe strategy. For example, we will determine the best setting for 1-minute scalping strategy. Next will be a 5-minute scalping strategy and followed by 15-minute scalping strategy. So make sure that you watch to the end to choose for the best scalping strategy based on your time frame. First of all, you need to open up the indicator in the Indicator tab. Go to the Indicator tab. Search for AI Adaptive Money Flow Index by Algo Alpha. Basically, just open up the indicator. Besides, you also can open up additional indicator to as a support confirmation to detect any reversal trend. For me, I would prefer to use MACD histogram as a secondary confirmation indicator to detect the trend momentum reversal. When having two confirmation indicator, it will be more easily to predict the reversal trend of the chart. Next, we would like to customize the indicator setting based on 1 minute's time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. Before that, you can read up the definition of the indicator in the indicator about this script tab. Basically, in this tab, it will explain the definition of this script. It will have an insight about this script. Make sure that you go through the script before any strategy was planned. It also will define the settings so that we know how to change it accordingly. Next, open up the Indicator Settings tab. We can change the setting here. And as a remarks, all this setting value provided is based on my own trading preference. You can refer it and plan for your own value, as different value may affect the sensitivity of the indicator. As a result, it will define any signal differently. As in the setting, we will be adjusting two different parameters, MFI length and the training data size. To define it, a shorter MFI length is more sensitive to price movements and can quickly react to changes in buying and selling pressure. This is crucial for 1-minute scalping, where traders need to make rapid decisions based on the latest market conditions. While for training date size indicates, when using a smaller training data size ensures the indicator focuses on the most recent price action, which is essential for scalping on a 1-minute chart. It allows the MFI to adapt swiftly to short-term market fluctuations, providing timely signals for entry and exit points. For 1-minute scalping, we are going to use MFI length of 7. Training data size of 100. While for 5-minute scalping strategy, we are going to use MFI length of 10. The training data size of 200. Meanwhile, for 15-minute scalping strategy, we are going to use the MFI length of 14, the training data size of 300. Basically, this is my optimized setting based on my different time frame. You can take as reference and plan for your own time frame based on your optimized strategy. So let us try out the indicator. First, open up the indicator. As you can see at this point, both MACD histogram and the Smart Money indicator shows the reversal in trend momentum and also banker fund accumulation. In this scenario, we can start to plan our trading strategy as the risk is relatively low at this hour. This is because the chart is in sideways and it shows a momentum breakout. As a result, we can have a relatively low risk and a high reward potential. So we can start to plan for our plan. We can use risk-reward projection to plot for our plan, set the cut loss and take profit area referring to the intermediate support and resistance. This is to ensure a good reference was referred to plan for our trade. Next, you need to ensure that your trading risk-reward ratio must be more than 1. If it is less than 1, I will relatively not a good trade. To ensure that, the cut loss and take profit target set must be in a ratio more than 1. so that we can plan for a reward bias trade if the risk-reward ratio is more than 1. This will help to enhance our trading winning rate based on our trading strategy. Aside of that, if both the MACD histogram and smart money flow funds shows a reversal in trend, we need to start. Reversal in smart money fund shows the decrease in fund accumulation. Change in trend in MACD histogram shows a reversal in chart momentum. As a result, we can start to plan for our exit or short position. So basically you can start to strategize your plan based on these two indicators. When there are reversal you can start to take profit or cut loss. Make sure that you backtest each of the indicator from maybe paper trade to test whether the indicator suit your trading strategy and time frame. As all indicator does not provide 100% winning rate, they only provide the most suitable based on your trading strategy. You need to have numerous attempts to familiar with the trading strategy. Besides, if you are finding for a simple, easy and regulated Forex broker trading platform, you can have a look on XM regulated trading platform. It is convenient and easy. It also provides a sign-up bonus if using the affiliate link down below. If you want to learn more of trading strategy in Forex trading, you can check the next